Have you ever dreamed of owning a boat, but didn't have the budget? Imagine the thrill of setting sail on your very own boat, the wind in your hair, and the open water before you. It's a dream many have, but few realize it can actually come true without spending a fortune. Ever dream of owning a boat? The idea of boat ownership often seems out of reach, but what if I told you that you can get one for free, completely legally? Imagine finding one for free. Yes, you heard that right. A boat that costs you nothing but a bit of effort and love. It's not just a fantasy, it's a real possibility. Believe it or not, you can legally claim abandoned boats in Canada. These boats, left behind and forgotten, are waiting for someone to give them a new lease on life. It's like a second chance for these forgotten beauties. With some dedication and care, you can transform them into stunning vessels that turn heads wherever they go. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to found, claim, and restore an abandoned boat in Canada, and how you can do it. The first step is to locate an abandoned or wrecked boat. In Canada, many boats are left stranded in harbors, marinas, and shorelines. Some owners walk away, leaving them behind. Think of places boats might end up forgotten. Marinas are a good start. Sometimes owners can't afford the fees and, sadly, their boats get left behind. Keep an eye out along shorelines too, especially after storms. Mother Nature can be unpredictable, leaving boats stranded far from home. Don't forget about boatyards. They're like giant boat hospitals, and sometimes patients get left behind. Remember, safety first. Always get permission before entering private property or poking around abandoned boats. Found a potential treasure? Don't set sail just yet. First, you must report boat to Transport Canada. This is a process where you submit the boat's location, condition, and photos. Transport Canada will check if the boat has an owner. They'll try to find them. This is important because we want to make sure we're doing things right. Now you need to wait about a month. Once you've reported the boat, there's a 30-day waiting period. This period is crucial as it serves as a buffer time for the rightful owner to come forward. It's a time of anticipation and patience, where each day brings you closer to potentially owning a new vessel. This gives the owner time to come forward and claim their vessel. They might have misplaced it, forgotten where it was docked, or simply overlooked it. This window ensures that everyone has a fair chance to reclaim their property. After 30 days, if no one steps forward, the boat is claimable. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Transport Canada will give you the official thumbs up. This means all the paperwork is in order, and you can legally claim the boat as your own. Now you will be able to retrieve and register the boat. It's time to turn this forgotten treasure into a source of pride and joy. Whether you plan to sail the open seas, use it for weekend getaways, or simply enjoy it as a project, the possibilities are endless. The journey from discovery to ownership is complete, and now the adventure truly begins. With ownership secured, the next step is moving the boat. Depending on its location, you might need a trailer or tow service. Inspect the boat for damage. Some abandoned boats need repairs, but others are in great shape. Start with a good cleaning. Check for leaks, engine issues, registration, then tackle any necessary repairs. Remember, you don't need to break the bank. Get creative. Look for used parts. Learn basic repairs online, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. The satisfaction of doing it yourself is worth every drop of sweat. The boat you got for free, now fully restored and ready to sail. All it took was patience, research, and a little bit of work. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Grab your life jacket, pack a picnic basket, and set sail for adventure. Remember, one person's abandoned boat can be your ticket to freedom and fun.